Hey guys, hope you had a wonderful week. If you are new to my channel, just so you know, I upload Northeast Indian recipes and my motorcycle and travel vlogs. Today we are going to cook a simple Northeastern style and incredibly delicious chicken fry with onions and garlic. Throughout the world, you have different variations of the same recipe. However, in Northeast India, since we do not prefer much spices, the dish is really filled with loads of condiments and it's really delicious and it's gonna blow away your mind. So please watch this video till the end. And now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Chicken chopped into chunky pieces, slit green chilies, chopped garlic cloves, sliced onions, ginger paste, turmeric powder, salt and oil. Now let's start cooking. First, heat oil in a pan. Then add your chicken pieces, ginger paste, garlic, turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Stir it well. Cover and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes on a low flame. Now open cook them until the water completely dries up, which should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Add your slit green chilies and sliced onions. Stir frequently and cook them for 20 minutes. Just like that, our onion garlic chicken is ready to be served. And to go along with it, I have grated some ash gourd and fried it with salt and turmeric powder. Also surprised, I have prepared some curry leaves fritters which were dipped in a batter of chickpea flour, turmeric powder and salt. Here is our garlic chicken with onions and it's looking really yum. You can see the different layers of condiments on it and I'm sure it must be deeply infused by this garlic which we have added in the start. And as you see, some of the onions are caramelized while some are still translucent, so it will give a lovely texture to this dish. And also please feel free to add more chilies if you wish to, but it really suits the children as well as the people who are slightly old at home and do not prefer much hot. So this dish really goes along with dal as well. However, I prefer to eat it dry and mash with my ash gourd dish which I have prepared, and also some tomato salads just to give a little bit of freshness to this dish. So now let's move ahead and try out our chicken. So some rice. I'm really hungry as I didn't have a good breakfast today. Yeah, I think just watermelons. What's your favorite breakfast item, guys? Do let me know, because ours is pretty random. And oh my gosh, did I take like excess? I don't know. I'll try to eat, or maybe I'll keep a piece of chicken down. Yeah, and look at how beautiful my curry leaf pakoras are looking. So do let me know if you have ever tried them. I'm sure a lot of you are surprised. Yes, in Northeast India we do get curry leaves, and this is how we eat. Yeah, we don't temper it, but we make paste out of it and also make fish curries. I have a recipe covered which is called Norohinho Mas, which is done with a rohu fish. So go ahead, I'll put it in the cards. So just check out that recipe too if you have not yet prepared anything as such. So guys, I'm putting this back uh, onto the serving plate because I think then it will just be overeating. Oh my goodness, just look how beautiful it's looking. It looks really creamy and will help me mash the rice. Hmm. I'm already slurping in here. How about you? So first of all, I'm going to try this chicken leg piece. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Mmm. The chicken is so flavorful and divine. Mmm. Mmm. It's really garlicky and sweet. Mmm. I'm sure this is going to be a delicious meal. And to prepare this ash gourd, you need only about 15 minutes since it is grated. Yeah, really helps to cook faster, and also you can cook it on medium flame and just cook it until the water just dries up. That's about it. So you have learned another recipe of ash gourd. And also if you have any style or any recipe which you guys eat in your respective homes, do let me know in the comments. Will be really exciting to know other ash gourd recipes. These are really light and just perfect for summers. Hmm. I'm just loving the color. It has this perfect yellow. Hmm. How can you just not love Northeast food, right? So simple. I could taste the ash gourds mild sweetness, and the juices from it is getting perfectly absorbed into the rice. Mm. I think I made a good decision by not preparing dal. And the chicken is just mind blowing, man. Mm. Just look at the onions. They're just coated all over, and they have like a very unique texture. One tip would be, since this was chicken without skin, I had to add lot of oil. However, if you are cooking with with the skin, please ensure that you don't add excess oil, because the fat from the meat will start melting and you'll have it all smeared. Oh my goodness. Oh, I just sliced the tomatoes, that's about it. No seasoning at all. And look at my curry leaves pakora. Mmm. This is super crunchy. Mmm. So what you do is just remove it from the main stem and keep it like this. That's it. Fry it. Mmm. This entire thing is caramelized onions. Oh my gosh. This gives such a wonderful feeling to your soul. Mm. I love this munchies. I haven't seen in South India actually someone eating curry patta in this way. So next time when I call my South Indian friends home, I'm going to prepare this dish. I mean this fritter. I'm sure they're gonna love it. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Good food. Good mood. Mm. The chilies are hot, let me tell you. Just look at it. Oh, caramelized onions. The meat is very tender. Mm. You let me know what's your favorite chicken recipe, and also if you have watched this video till here, please give it a big thumbs up and please hold on and stay with me until end of this meal. Mm. Mm. The tomatoes are really refreshing because everything, at least two of the things are quite oily. Mm. This is quite fun to eat and then pull it out like a satay. My plate is really messy today. But who cares? I'm enjoying the food. Mm. 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 I love chicken wings. Yeah, breaking it makes it a little easier. Do you like chicken wings? Let me know. Mm. You know, the heat from the chilies is like so slow, but it really adds so much flavor. Mm. 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 The technique of eating chicken wings didn't work out well in this video when we are supposed to pull out all the meat at one shot. That's the way chicken wings should be eaten. I'm really full now, but this one really deserves to be completed. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Do let me know, and also if you have chicken recipes, I mean traditional recipes, kindly share it with me on snigdhasbioscope@gmail.com. And in case if you don't remember my email ID, just drop in a comment as I'm just a message away. Sorry about the burp. And a big shout out to all of you who have watched this video so far, and thank you for tuning in to my channel. And if you have not clicked on that bell button, please go ahead and click it so that you don't miss any of my updates. I upload every Friday evening India time, and I'll be back next week with another new recipe from Northeast India. Until then, bye.